Finding free AI video tools is very difficult right now. However, you can still use Google's Veo 3 legally through Google's own platform. In this video, I will show you 2 easy ways to use Google Veo 3 for free. Let's get started. Our first platform is Opal AI. I will share the link in the description, but the most important part is learning how to use it correctly. Click on generate and there is an option will show agent. Click on it. Here you will see a lot of other tools, but I'm gonna use Veo. Then go to the bottom side, click on advanced settings. Here you will get model versions of Veo like Veo 3, Veo 3.1 and Veo 2. Select Veo 3.1 and select the ratio and paste your desired prompt here. Then hit the preview button. Click on start. Our generation is started and this is the output. Now I'm gonna generate video from an image. Click on generate button, then user input. Connect them like this. And click on advanced settings and click on any from here. Click on preview and refresh from here. Click on this plus icon, upload your desired image and it's start generating.
Forward!
Our next site is Google Vids. Here you will see this type of interface. Click on this icon. Here you will see interface like this. Now click here. Create from scratch is already selected and Veo 3 as well. Now paste the prompt and select the ratio and hit the generate button. So from here you can recreate the video and insert the video. I'm gonna insert the video. Now you can download it by clicking on file then download. Now next, to create the video from an image, select animate an image option, upload the image and give any prompt so you can see it's working. Now download it.
Push forward! Now! Shields up! Defend!
So this is how you can access Veo 3 for free. If you have any query about this topic, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.